¿Qué tienes, Lincoln? ¿Tú tienes la tabla? ¿Pero a dónde vas? All right, we are down for another beach day. Stancy, ¿dónde estamos? ¿Cómo?
Beach.
En la
Playa.
In la playa. All right, we're here in Lanikai. This is the part of Kailua where the beach is a lot bluer, at least for now. See if the weather keeps up like that. Lincoln is hanging out in here with his mommy, not doing the best. He doesn't like the sun. Yeah, so it's kind of interesting since we're here in the beach. We're at the beach, yeah? We'll see how that goes. All right, welcome back. So we have an inflatable. So I said we had an inflatable kayak, and I pumped it up, and there it is. It's awesome, except, Mika, turn it around. Except I pumped too hard, and the other side I just popped. There's like, I don't know, a 36-inch pot on the inside. So that one is going in the trash after this, possibly. I don't know. Still usable, yeah, maybe so. I don't know. Anyway, oh. And the mokes, they're the mokes that we're definitely not going to now in our popped kayak. Shit! Alright, this is what snack time looked like at the beach. Lincoln's on the broken, oh, snack time's gone.
We ate all our strawberries.
Hello. Nancy, ¿qué está comiendo? ¿Es una cereza o una fresa?
Fresa.
Fresa. Lincoln está en la lancha rota. He's in the kayak, the broken kayak. And we're enjoying our time.
Yeah, good day.
¿Qué tienes, Lincoln? ¿Tú tienes la tabla? ¿Pero a dónde vas? Do you want to move everything? Kind of sucks. I'll go move the car, babe. So I had to repark our car because the neighborhood where we are at the beach is Lanikai, and it's a very wealthy neighborhood with a lot of people that don't want many more tourists coming and hanging out and parking in the neighborhood. So I parked out on the outside and I'm walking through to go back into Lanikai. This is boat ramps here in Kailua, and then there is Flat Island out there, which a lot of people get the stand-up paddle boards and the kayaks, and then they kind of go out to Flat Island. I'll show you the mokes. Actually, I've already showed you once. I think I'll show you again. The mokes is where I like to go. It's a longer trip, but you can kayak out to the mokes, and there's a small sandy beach on it, and you can walk around to the other side and jump off some rocks, which is kind of fun. I don't know if I'll get to do it today because I'm with the kids, but we'll see. This is us walking through, and all the cars leaving because they cannot park there anymore. Oh, and some people fishing, you know? Coolios. So I wanted to show you guys this. This is Lanikai on the way out. There's only one way in and one way out of this place, and it is freaking stacked with cars trying to get out of here. I think probably a lot of people came in thinking they could park, but not knowing that on 3-day weekends you cannot park from the hours of 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And so, I mean, either way, if it's one way in, one way out of this place, they get stacked with freaking traffic. So, which is probably one of the reasons the locals don't want people in here parking. I don't know, but I'm having to walk to my car, and then I gotta drive back out of this stuff with my kids and stuff, you know? Yeah. Well, Lanikai. All right, we're gonna get us some food on. This is Boston's Pizza. ¿Cómo se llama?
Boston Pizza.
Boston's Pizza in Kailua. We're gonna go get an eat on. I think the pizza's already ready. Vete, Stancy. Ya está. Oh, well that's appropriate. ¿Para papi dónde? ¿Y dónde se va a sentar Stancy?
She needs a chair right here. This is her pizza. What do you need for her?
Esté para atrás, Stancy. Para atrás. Ahora súbete.
Oh, I don't want to see that look on your face. Huh? I don't understand what's going on. Those are the pizzas. Your pizza.
Whole pizzas?
Yeah. No, pieces of pizza.
Right. I'm about to eat my pizza. They're eating the cheese right now. Let's look at what mine looks like. Oh, looks like it came in an envelope. It's posted. Post it to me. Oh.
Whoa.
Oops,
Here,
up, Daniel.
can you hand this to me?
I
You're,
can.
you're having to do a lot with one hand.
Wonderful. Oh, that's what I'm about to eat right
Is
now.
that a medium one or is that your bite? That's
Open it up. 2 pieces.
yeah. Well, that's how that's one piece. That's your bite, yeah.
One piece.
¿Te gustaría un poquito de mío? ¿No quieres un pedazo de mío? Bueno. ¿Bellotas? Ok, estamos jugando al juego de Messi. ¿Cómo se llama? Ah, sí, la ardilla ladrona. Okay. So Lincoln has taken it upon himself to sing, and he's improvising. What do they call it? Freestyle, free. Heck on, man. I'm so old. Yeah, it's free flow, but yeah, freestyle. Woohoo! Lincoln, ¿quieres un ritmo? Yo te doy un ritmo. Lincoln, tienes que escuchar la música. Mira, escucha el ritmo. Tan taran taran taran. Tan taran taran taran. Well, you know, we try. ¿El ritmo otra vez? ¿Qué ritmo quieren? ¿Un ritmo rápido o un ritmo despacio? Ok.
I want to leave here. I need to escape. What is it called?
Naked Elephant and the Kid.
It's called Naked.
And the Kid.
Naked Elephant and the Kid? That's what it's called?
Yeah, and the Kid.
Oh, cool. Okay, let's read it.
Yeah, and the tour book and the wood mom.
It's a school book.
Yeah, and the glue book.
Okay.
¿Qué canción es? ¿Cómo se llama?
I don't know.
Lincoln. Muy bien. Mira la garganta. ¿Qué está dentro de tu garganta? ¿Un saltamontes? ¿Un grillo? ¿Un dinosaurio? ¿Mal aliento? No, porque ¿qué acabas de hacer? Acabas de cepillarte los dientes. Pero papi, no. Qué asco, ¿no? Ok, vamos a leer un libro. ¿Qué tal el libro? ¿Qué es, Stancy?
Mi cumpleaños.
No tu cumpleaños, pero el cumpleaños de una niña. ¡Qué sorpresa de cumpleaños! Es un libro muy bonito de una niña.
This is the she didn't know where to get lolly for a birthday, and she thought it was lolly, but it was her birthday.
Sí, es cierto. Hay una niña, no me acuerdo cuántos años tiene, como... 6 años, es cierto, ¿verdad? Una niña de 6 años que siempre tiene su cumpleaños en diciembre, pero en verano su hermana mayor tiene un cumpleaños y siempre tiene una fiesta más grande, con mucha familia y hacen una reunión familiar. Pero este año la hermana mayor, pues, bueno, en el libro, la hermana mayor quería hacer una sorpresa a su hermanita y por eso intercambió el cumpleaños de ella con el de su hermanita, y por eso la hermanita de 6 años tiene su cumpleaños casi 6 meses temprano y tiene una gran fiesta. ¿Y te parece bonito este libro? ¿Te gusta? A ti te gustaría tener tu cumpleaños, ¿verdad? Ahora. ¿Pero cuándo es tu cumpleaños?
September 28.
¡Woohoo! ¿El 28?
29.
No el 29, loca. El 28 de...
Septiembre.
El 28 de septiembre. Ok, vamos a leer el libro. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our videos today. Please be sure to subscribe. We're the Perms here on YouTube. You can also find us on social media, Facebook and Twitter. If you have any suggestions at all on how to help Lincoln with his reading, please respond. Leave it in the comments below. In the meantime, have a good day, and we'll see you guys in Thursday's Thoughts. Shoots.